Right, at long last, I think I got this back in January. It's now like beginning of August, I think. I don't even know what they say. I think it's beginning of August. What am I on about? I'm losing the plot here. Anyways, yeah. So 8 months down the line, I'm finally gonna have a look at making a start on this. Yeah. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out the sprues and spray them. I think most of them will go black. Hang on, I did have some spray paint ready for this. I mean, I got the acrylic white from Humbrol to do the outside bits because as I said in there. If you watch the review video unboxing I did of this, then well, go back. I'll start again. Basically, I won this kit in a memorial competition on John Moore scale models. I won first prize in a model making competition. I'm shocked at that, and I'm still shocked. Go back through my videos, you'll see an unboxing review I did of this. Yeah, I'm going to make the excuse me, my chest is all gunky. I'm going to make the snow camouflage one just because it looks really cool. So, all the parts that are sort of external bodywork are going to spray white, and then everything else is going to get sprayed black. I mean, somewhere, yeah, we go. I'll find the top for it, but I've got matte black. So that'll be a good sort of undercoat for everything. I've forgotten quite how many parts there were in this flipping neck. But anyway, I'm going to try and sort them out a bit and get them sprayed. So I'll see you in a while. Right, I know this is upside down to you, but I can't really do much about that. Maybe I should have designed the top of this the other way round, but never mind. So we're going to have a quick look. So there's your sprue map. So we're going to make a start on this. So we're going to put the engine block together, and then paint it up. So let me get all the parts. And then I'll bring you back so we can assemble them. Just a quick heads up on this. If you're building it, the instructions call this piece H8, but the on the sprue it's number 9. Just so you know. Right, I'm just editing this build sequence, and yeah, well, I do apologise, but somehow camera didn't pick up sound again, even though when I switched my camera back on, it said that it was recording sound. So I haven't got a clue what's going on with this stupid thing. But anyways, yeah, here it is, the engine complete. Yeah, so it needs to do a few paint touch-ups here and there, and then give it a wash. Maybe pick out some little bits here and there. I'll have to have a look at diesel engines for lorries and that, see if pick up any bits that need to go that would work better with a bit of colour on them. But yeah, I'm sure John Moore won't mind me quoting him here. Yeah, go out and win yourself a kit, build it and enjoy it. This is Greg signing off. See you next time.